Here are 3 columns. We will assign a different trigger preset to each one. This will show how the timing of motion changes depending on the trigger profile. The first column uses natural. The second uses on focus. The third uses late entrance. Each preset defines when the animation begins. As you scroll, you can clearly see the difference. All 3 use the same animation, only the trigger timing changes. This affects how the content feels as it enters the screen. Now let's exaggerate the entrance timing to clearly demonstrate how global settings work. We will set a very late entrance just for this example. For an explanation of root margin and threshold settings, see the documentation linked in the description. At this point, nothing changes, because each column is still using its own preset. Now let's use global settings inside this block. Select the element and enable global settings. This block now follows the global configuration. You can rely on trigger presets for most layouts, use global settings for consistency, or customize individual blocks when needed. WP InView keeps motion flexible without making it complicated. Like the video, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what you want to build next in WordPress.